everyone! We're making a butterfly today to accompany the tulip from last time. This is super easy and fast and can be a pretty nice springtime decoration. Let's get started. You'll need a square piece of paper. First, fold the top left corner diagonally down to the right. Open it back up and fold the top right corner diagonally down to the left. Unfold and turn the paper over. Fold the top edge down to meet the bottom. Unfold and turn the paper over again. Now lift the paper up with your fingers along the horizontal creases. Press down and collapse it into a triangle. Fold the two bottom corners of the top flap of the triangle up to the middle. Flip the shape over so that the triangle is pointing down. Fold the bottom corner of the top flap up and overshoot the top edge, but don't press down on the bottom corners. Fold the excess to the back to act as a clip. Turn the butterfly over and fold along the middle. That's how you make a cute little butterfly. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more, here's the video on how to make a tulip that was mentioned earlier. See you next time!